Hello, and welcome to the Building Financial Stability Through Real Estate Investing course. My name is Elston Steele. You are here because you see real estate as a key to long-term financial stability. Real estate is a tangible asset with potential for appreciation and passive income through rental opportunities. For example, purchasing a house and renting it out is the start of your financial success. For the first year, your tenants have started paying your mortgage on that house. By the 9th year, you will have amassed equity. That is growth in your financial wealth. A foundation is necessary, and key layers are a source of consistent income streams coupled with emergency savings and reduction in debt. Protecting yourself against interest payments is the base for sound investment stability. Your success depends on a diversified investment strategy. There are different ways to achieve your objective. You may want to buy and keep rental properties. You may desire to buy, renovate, and sell properties. You have several paths to choose from. Your risk management skills and planning are important, so you should create a checklist. Conduct market research on properties in a location of your choice. If you're considering properties in other geographical areas, then conduct a risk assessment. Also, other considerations for planning include budgeting for repairs, taxes, and the potential loss of income due to vacant rentals. Now it's time to take action. Start by defining your financial goals. Choose an investment team and a licensed agent. Select a lender if a loan is necessary. Also, I recommend hiring a real estate lawyer to help you through the process. Good luck.